Hey guys, have you ever tried these coffee bean cookies? This is so yummy and a healthy recipe. I am sure your entire family is going to love this recipe. So here we didn't use any maida or sugar. This is very healthy option. So without any delay, we'll start the process. For this, you have to take 3/4 cup of jaggery and beat one egg and grind it to a paste. Take another bowl, add 100 grams of butter. Here I have taken directly from the fridge. You can take melted butter or ghee. Now let's wait for some time so that our butter will get melt. Meanwhile, you have to make one mixture. Here I have taken two blue packets and add hot water or hot milk. So I am adding this mixture to the butter. So the heat present in this mixture will melt the butter easily. Now I am going to add jaggery and egg mixture. We should not add it directly. You have to strain it before adding so that we can remove any impurities present in that mixture. So you have to strain it with the help of the spoon as shown in the video. Make sure while making cookies there should not be any impurities, otherwise your cookies will not be perfect. Now here you can see this is the impurities we have to remove. Now beat with the help of the whisker for 6 to 7 minutes so that it should form the creamy texture. Now this is the perfect texture. Now we are going to add 1 cup of wheat flour. We are not using any maida flour here. Even with the help of wheat flour we can make perfect and delicious cookies. So in that we are adding 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Cocoa powder we are adding just for the color so that our cookies will look like coffee bean. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch. Now mix everything with the help of spoon, whisk or the spatula. Since I don't have spatula here, I am using whisker to mix the batter. The batter should form like sticky dough. So mix it slowly. Now I feel like the batter is still watery. I am going to add some more wheat flour. At this stage you should not add cocoa powder or corn flour. You have to add the wheat flour. So this is the perfect consistency. We have to refrigerate it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes our batter will get thickens so that we can easily form the cookie shape. Now take little bit of the dough and form like a cylindrical shape. There should not be any crackers on that. With the help of toothpick or backside of the knife you have to make a shape in the middle as shown in the video. So here you can see it exactly looks like the coffee bean. This shape will attract the kids. So you have to make all the cookies as it is. Meanwhile preheat the oven at 200 degrees for 10 minutes. you can easily form the cylinder shape, and with the help of toothpick you can form a perfect shape. Now bake at 170 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes. Let it cool down completely and enjoy. If you like the video, don't forget to click on like button. Thank you. Thanks for watching.